This is a ratchet wrench. A ratchet strap. It's got 2 releases on it. One of the releases is right here. Everybody can easily see that one. But there's also one right here. Hold that there. Put it right there. Put something right there to release it. And then you work it out. Grab the other end of that strap so it flows easy.
This one?
Nah, this hand. You gotta hold it up that way.
Oh,
I got too much strap. And you just release it like that. Pull it on through.
These are mine.
Both ends. Pull on that strap.
This one?
Yep.
His feet are bigger than yours?
Release it. Just pull it through like that.
Gracious.
This is a very long strap. I didn't need all this damn strap. That's how you release it. Hopefully your strap won't be as long as mine, but one release here, one release there. When you got pressure on it, this one is hard to release, so that's why I use the wrench. Just push it in, and then this one, that's how you get the pressure off of a ratchet strap.
I got this on myself, Poppy. I got this.